Alright y'all, I've got another quick fix for you. I was driving, this is a 2001 Excursion, it's my daily and my work truck. I was driving it yesterday and it just started to smell like coolant. So what happened was this heater hose just exploded. So it goes off of this nipple here on the top front of the intake manifold, and then it runs back going to your heater core through this valve. Problem is, my auto parts store didn't even have this, and it's different sizes, a 3/4 and a 5/8. So the simplest solution for me was get just a 6-foot roll of 3/4, a 6-foot roll of 5/8. I'm just going to cut it to fit, and I've got this adapter. You can get these off the shelf at the auto parts store, or just get a bundle of them on Amazon or whatever. Dorman makes a bunch of these in the package. Now this one is a Gates, and then I've got some hose clamps and stuff. So I'm just going to run my 3/4 here into a coupler and then straight onto that valve, and there you have it. I've got about 16 inches of that 3/4 inch, and then that coupler into the 5/8 inch, and there's about 9 inches of that, so it doesn't bind. It's a little bit different than factory routing because it had the elbow that came straight over and then down, but same thing. And all of that with the 6 feet of hose of each diameter was about the same cost, about $40 or so, as it would have been just for that forward hose.